You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French, meaning mystery. This is the name of a show, especially by the Cirque du Soleil. If you want to learn how to pronounce that, make sure to stay tuned. In French, it means mystery, and said as mystère, mystère, French pronunciation. So in English, you can say it as mystère, stare, mystère. It's easy. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.